Welcome to this week's Leading with Purpose Digest. For today's session, I am focusing on how employee assessments can be used to enhance performance, show your commitment to your employees' development, and achieve results. A colleague and I were recently fortunate to collaborate with a client on an initiative where they were asking 7 of their key operational leaders to participate in a development assessment. It was encouraging to see the way these leaders of varying ages responded to the project. They were excited and couldn't wait to get the results back, and were even more so excited to see what development plans they would create for themselves going forward. We then got to spend a dedicated hour with each of these leaders to review the results and walk them through the next steps of their development plan. To say the least, I was inspired, and it was a great reminder that employee assessments are a valuable tool for organizations looking to improve performance and achieve their goals. By providing insights into an employee's strengths, weaknesses, and areas for development, assessments can help organizations identify areas for improvement, set performance expectations, and support employees in their professional growth. So what's the best way to describe the value of employee assessments? Well, they're an important part of the talent management process, providing valuable insights into an employee's skills, abilities, and potential. By using assessments, organizations can identify areas for improvement and help employees reach their full potential. Assessments can also help organizations identify their strengths and weaknesses of their employees, allowing them to allocate resources more effectively and make informed decisions about promotions, transfers, and other personnel moves. In addition, these tools can help organizations create a culture of continuous learning and improvement. By encouraging employees to embrace the process as an opportunity for growth and development, employers can foster a positive, growth-oriented culture that supports employee engagement and motivation. If we go back to the client I mentioned at the beginning, these individuals were now structuring out their professional development for the next 6 to 12 months based on what was identified in these assessments as opportunities of growth. This process of helping an employee identify their strengths and weaknesses is a major component of making an employee feel valued. And as an employer, you want them to grow, to utilize their talents to the best of their abilities, and to strengthen areas which may need some attention. There are so many different types of assessments available, including personality tests, skills assessments, and 360-degree evaluations. When choosing an assessment tool, it's important to consider the following factors. 1, choose an assessment that is relevant to your goals and objectives and that will provide the information you need to achieve those goals. 2, assessments should be unbiased and administered fairly to all employees. This helps to prevent perceptions of discrimination or unfair treatment. And 3, explain to the employees what the assessment will measure and how it will be used. Let them know the assessment is an opportunity to improve and grow in their role. To get the most out of these tools, it is important to use them effectively. Here are some tips for using them to enhance performance and achieve results. 1, use the results to provide feedback, set goals and expectations, and create development plans. It's important to communicate the results to employees in a supportive and constructive manner. 2, continuously monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of the assessment process and make changes if necessary to ensure that it continues to meet your goals and objectives. And 3, encourage employees to embrace the process as an opportunity for growth and development. Provide support and resources needed to help them succeed. I am really excited to see the growth of these leaders our client just gave this very opportunity to. It was evident from my one-on-ones with each of them that they were very grateful to their employer and even more committed to their job. Thank you. And as always, you can check in with Dame Leadership. Our focus is to help you become a better and more purposeful leader.